She's eating Easy Mac. Mac, that's of Eve. There is a sleeping kitty behind the pooper. Hang on, I'll get it. I don't know, I'll just show you. Can you see it? We're in a kitty hood. Whoa. Oh, I covered the light. I'm silly. Oh, finger. Okay. Shut. Okay. So one day, I was walking in the woods, and then this chipmunk came up to me, and he was all like, hey, wanna be friends? And I was like, no, I'm not friends with short people. And he's like, well, you're a munchkin. And I was like, no, look, I have feet. And then he's like, no, you're a munchkin, which just means you're short. It doesn't mean that you're footless. And I said, oh. I said, do munchkins have hands, too? And he said, yes. And I was all like, too bad, because I don't have any. I'm a nub. See? I'm a little nub. Little nubby. Yeah. So, yeah. And he said, oh, I guess you're not a munchkin then. So then I decided that I have to go on a search for who I truly am. Which isn't a munchkin. Or a chipmunk, because he says I don't have fur.
It's a bumble snort.
Thanks for giving away the ending, Dad. So anyway, so I was searching through the forest, and I was finding lots of creatures, and I was all like, what type of creature are you? And they were like, I'm a deer. And I said, well, you're not what I am, because I don't poop on the floor, I go in the toilet. And then I kept searching, and I found this thing. Hang on, I'll get it. Touch that thing. Look at it. That's not what I am. It's a little rat. It's a rat. It's a rat. Say hi, Nelly. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. So yeah, and so then I was like, oh, that's not me. Oh, sorry now. Sorry, Nelly. I think I'm gonna get in trouble for that one. What if I get on the camera? I beat you.